Boy, show these big meat Larry Hoovers. Sick. So, I got a bunch of blaster parts I've been ordering for the last few weeks. They're all in boxes, so y'all are gonna get a good first time reaction, if you would. This is a lot of the stuff we got from Vito's Performance. I ran their stuff a lot. Can't complain one bit. I rag on my stuff, so I ain't mad about it. And it's a good price, fast shipping too. Got the Vito's Performance brake rotor, drilled, slotted, or just drilled rather. Actually fits a Banshee as well. Got their bearing kit for your swing arms. Put new swing arm bearings in there. Those are good. These are just a bunch of the gaskets. This is actually the head gasket, or the base gasket for the cylinder. This has the, kind of hard to see, maybe I can take it out of the packet, but it's got the aluminum spacer as well, because I'll be running the 3 plus crank on it. So you need those. Just some more. And Chris, when you say a plus 3 crank, you're talking about a stroker engine, right?
Yes. So I'll be running, actually I'll show you. Vito's Performance crankshaft. So that's the stroker kit. I'll be running a, like I said, plus 3 stroker crank. And I paired that with a, which I'll get to it, but a Ken O'Connor 68 mil aggressive trail ported engine, or cylinder. So that will be a ripper. Let's see. Actually, this is one of those things I've been wanting for a while. I don't know if I'll like it, we'll see. This is the combination thumb throttle, twist throttle assembly from Vito's Performance. We'll see. I've heard mixed reviews, but I wanted to give it a shot. Billet gas cap, dress it up a little bit. Some Koyo crank bearings. I've got a full titanium bolt set for the engine cases, clutch covers, everything, stator covers, all titanium. Just another intake, kicker spring, those always go bad. This is a nice Vito's Performance exhaust clamp. Wrist pin bearing. This is the Ken O'Connor aggressive trail ported 68 millimeter cylinder. I've done some what I call Nephson porting on actually Alex's Blaster. I mean, I wasn't mad at it. That thing rips, so. But talk to the professionals. They ported out the exhaust. It's kind of hard to see, but inside that exhaust, it's walled out real nice and smooth. So, and it, like I said, it's bored out to 68 mil instead of stock 66.
How about the intake? Did you port intake any?
Yes. So,
A little higher?
oh, sorry.
A little closer. There we go. You'd see how that worked.
It's all smooth in there as well.
It's nice work right there.
Nice hardware, stainless steel. V-Force reeds. Running the carbon fiber reed pack on it. They're tried and true. They're great. Just a nice, easy power upgrade right there. Fairly inexpensive. This is the I don't know where I got this one from, but I think it was a Tusk clutch kit, clutch pack.
And you've had good luck with Caltric clutch packs as well, right?
Caltric clutches are good as well.
Cheap, they're available.
Yeah, I've
They're not bad.
definitely destroyed those.
They're not bad. From people who use them, they're not that bad.
Just some more genuine Yamaha gaskets. Again, I have a bunch of these in repeats because they come with a lot of the orders. These are some These are actually Caltricks swing arm bushings. So I'll get new bushings on all my swing arms. That'll be nice. The clutch cable, brand new clutch cable. This is a shorty brake cable for the rear brake. Tried and true. I have them all on my bike already, but on my Blaster, but time to freshen it up. Again, more gaskets, reed, and then that's your head. So I'll be running a new Arcade 520 chain on it. Good to replace those often. These are just hardware that came for those. So this is actually, I bought from Tach Out Performance. This is called their, I forgot the, oh here it is. Performance Toroidal Head Mod. It's kind of like a Hemi head.
And what that does is it changes the overall swish at the top, right?
Yeah, so it's supposed to have higher compression. So, but you have to get these custom based on what mods you're doing. So this is gonna have the 68 mil bore, the 50% 11 degree squish, and then the 3 mil stroker. So you kind of have to pair it up so you don't start whacking it.
And that's all based off of your stroker kit, right?
Yeah.
Back to the basics. The stroker kit changes the actual stroke of the piston,
Correct.
so therefore you have to change the height of the gasket
Right.
to match, and you also have to do top end work to make sure that everything is not going to collide.
Correct. So I actually will be giving this to, because they come run off of like core charges and stuff like that, so that you don't get a freshie every time. They're still good, still great, but
Oh,
Alex is gonna favor bless that for me, for sure. It'll look nice. This is actually one of these cool ones I got from,
That looks 3D printed.
yeah it is. It's actually from Tach Out Performance as well.
Sick.
3D printed chain roller guide with
cool.
all the rollers inside as well, so, and the hardware.
It's
It
cool.
is 3D printed though. That's
It's
pretty
cool
nice.
to see 3D printed parts becoming, I guess, more mainstream.
Yeah. We'll see.
a good
I've
part.
never ran a 3D printed one. I always run the OEM stock clear ones. They look like junk, but that one dresses up nice. So I will be running a larger carb. I'm going to be doing an electron carb. I'm still talking with them about it. We're trying to get it all dialed in. But this is a carb spacer. So it's just a billet aluminum spacer to bring it out from the reeds, from the intake, so that you'll have room for your carburetor clearance wise.
And Electron is they're a local company, aren't
Yeah,
they?
out here in Bernie.
Out of Bernie. So we're in Northwest San Antonio, pretty much outside 1604. If you know where that is, but Bernie is not that far away, so
Right
we like
about
doing
you.
local business, and they're a good company.
Yeah. So this is for the chain roller still. Vito's Performance as well. The oil pump block off kit, sprocket. I'll call it the lock. But like I said, I'm running on these already, but just good to freshen them up. This is kind of cool. This is a lightened stator. So, well, actually, I'll show you. This is a just stock OEM one. So what they do is they actually mill out a bunch of the material that's not really necessary. Makes it a lot lighter, so a lot less rotating mass, higher revs, quicker, so real cool. So this is gonna be replaced with that. That's nice. Exhaust gasket. This is the actual piston. So it's in a different box, but this is the piston that goes with that 68 mil ported cylinder. So, like I said, I talked to Ken O'Connor myself. Real cool guy. Love the work he's doing, and he set me up. Oops. So, just a nice piston. I've never actually ran one of these pistons before. I'm always a Wiseco kind of guy, but we'll see. We'll try it out. Like I said, wrist pin bearing, the clips, the rings are in here as well. So I kind of got a lot of extras with a lot of parts, but they won't go to waste. Good to replace those parts anyways, every season or so. Just running some Pro Taper grips. They're good. I like them. Inexpensive. fuel petcock, replacing that guy. Let's see. This is actually Vito's Performance wiring harness as well. Replacing the whole wiring harness. Mine's the original OEM one that I've spliced together so many times. Let's see. This is another clutch cable. This is the clutch cover gasket. I got a few of those too. These are actually the front brake lines. So replacing both front brakes. The lines at least. I do have new brakes for as well. Not here, but race driven. They're inexpensive. They're nice. I like them. They run. So I did buy myself a blaster book. It's cool.
Gotta learn how to read first.
Yeah, I'm still teaching myself. Just got a cool little tips, tricks, maintenance, you know, torque specs, in case you don't forget. I mean, I know the engine's like the back of my hand, but it was kind of one of those things I just wanted, so.
Do it properly, you know, with all these new stuff,
Yeah.
all these new parts, all these new, you know, components.
Nice to follow
hardware.
torque specs every now and then. I usually go based off of Ugga Duggas, but
Ugga Duggas and Guten Tight.
gluten tight, yeah. But it's a cool book. Good information.
It's nice to have on the shelf.
Yeah, it's nice to have on the shelf. So, I have a full FMF exhaust that I'm gonna be putting on this. I've been running an FMF silencer. I actually gave Alex my Pro Circuit Fatty, so he'll be running that. But I bought a whole.
Pro Circuit fatty pipe and silence, right? Full exhaust. Right?
Yeah, full exhaust. So I'll be running full exhaust. Like I said, the Nephson carb that's still on the way, in the works, and a lot of little odds and ends that I haven't touched on, but there's so many parts that go into this. So look forward to the build.